How to add friends in Duolingo. So if you want to add friends in your Duolingo, then first you need to check your internet connection, and then you need to open up your Duolingo application. Make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you can simply go for the profile, which is here on the bottom. Tap on the profile, and now if you want to add some friends in your Duolingo, then you will have add friends option. Tap on add friends, and then you can add your friends from your contacts. You can find your friends on Duolingo with your contacts, or you can learn together with your friends. You can simply tap on invite friends, and then you can invite them through Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and anything, and then you can simply make them friends. So tap on text message, and it will take you to the text message option, so that you can simply select a conversation that you would like to add as a friend, or you can simply go for more options, and then you can simply choose the applications in which you would like to share. And once you've shared, if the other person accepts it, then they will be your friends. So that's how you can add someone as a friend. You can also go for find contacts, which is on the first, and then allow your contacts, and you can simply choose any one of these persons, and then you can add them as a friend. So that's it. That's how you can add someone as a friend in Duolingo. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.